welcome back to my channel Count Your Blessings. Hope you all are doing good. Today I'm going to share with you how to make eggless mango pancakes. So without further ado, let's get started. For this recipe, I'm using one mango. This is Banganapalli. You can use any mango that you have at home. I cut it into pieces and ground it up in a mixie jar. This is how it should look. Keep this aside. Next, in a vessel, take 200 grams of maida or all-purpose flour. Add in 2 tablespoons of sugar. If you want it much sweeter, you can add more. And then I added baking powder. I added 1 tablespoon and 1 teaspoon. That's around 20 ml. Give it a slight stir. Next, I took 200 ml of milk and added 2 tablespoons of butter to it. I gave it a good stir and I added the wet ingredients to the dry ingredients. Mix it up and then add your mango pulp to the mixture and give it a final mix. And now your batter is ready. For the first method, I took an ape pan and added butter to all the cavities. And then scooped in the mixture into each cavity. Fill it about halfway so that it will be easy to turn it over. After about a minute or two, turn it over so that the other side also gets cooked. Make sure your stove is not on high. Once turned over, wait for another minute and your mini pancakes are done. Alternatively, you can use a dosa tawa. Add some butter to the center of it. Spread it out a bit. And add your batter. If the flame is high, it'll get burnt, so keep it low. After about a minute, turn it over it another minute. And your pancake is done. You can eat it as is or give it a drizzle of honey. Hope you like this video. Thank you for watching. Please do like, share, comment and subscribe. Until next time, take care. God bless. Bye-bye. Smile, Jesus loves you.